Inflation is something everyone's talking about, but if you're like many retirees, you're probably feeling the squeeze more than most. As your savings lose purchasing power, it's crucial to find strategies to beat inflation and protect your wealth. In today's video, I'll walk you through some powerful ways to do just that, with a focus on solutions that really work for retirees. And by the end, I'll show you why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. One of the most common strategies people use to hedge against inflation is investing in assets that typically appreciate as the dollar loses value. Stocks and bonds might come to mind, but there's a significant risk here. As we've seen in recent years, inflation can cause stock prices to fluctuate wildly. Even bonds, once considered a safe haven, may not provide the same security they once did in an inflationary environment. That's where gold IRAs stand out. When inflation strikes, gold tends to maintain or increase its value, acting as a hedge against rising costs. Gold has historically outperformed the dollar in times of inflation, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to protect their wealth long term. If you want to learn more about how a gold IRA can help you secure your savings, click the first link in the description for a free guide. But back to inflation. Another common strategy is real estate. While real estate has historically been a solid investment, in today's market, it's not without its risks. Property values can fluctuate, and maintenance costs can add up quickly. Plus, it's not as liquid as gold or other assets, which could make it harder to access your money when you need it most. Gold, on the other hand, is easily liquidated. Whether you need cash quickly or want to hold on to it long term, a gold IRA allows you to protect and access your savings with greater flexibility than real estate. And the best part? You don't have to worry about tenants, property taxes, or fluctuating property values. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, you should definitely consider gold IRAs. Thousands of Americans are choosing this route because it's a reliable, straightforward way to hedge against inflation without the headaches of more traditional investments. Again, check the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and see how it can benefit you. Another option retirees often consider is commodities like oil or agricultural products. While these investments can perform well, they also come with higher volatility and are not as widely accessible to individual investors. Plus, managing these assets requires a certain level of expertise, which is often more effort than most retirees are willing to put in. Gold, by comparison, is simple and proven. With a gold IRA, you're investing in an asset that's been around for centuries, and you don't need to be an expert to know it's a safe bet. It's a much easier way to protect your savings from inflation compared to other commodities or more complex investment strategies. If you're holding a large amount of wealth in an IRA, 401k, or even savings above $100,000, or maybe you're a high net worth individual with $5 million or more, it's even more critical to protect your assets. A gold IRA isn't just for the small investor. It's a tool that can serve anyone who wants to ensure their savings are safe in the face of inflation, and it's an especially smart choice for American retirees. You don't need to take risks with your retirement money. By transferring a portion of your savings into a gold IRA, you're taking a proactive step toward inflation protection. As the value of the dollar declines, your gold will likely increase in value, keeping your wealth intact or even growing. So, if you're ready to learn how a gold IRA can protect your wealth, click the link in the description for your free guide. It's packed with the information you need to make the best choice for your financial future. To wrap up, when it comes to strategies to beat inflation with your savings, there are a lot of options out there. But for American retirees with substantial savings, whether in IRAs, 401ks, or other accounts, there's nothing quite like the security and stability that a gold IRA offers. If you have over $100,000 in your retirement accounts, or even $5 million in savings, this could be the perfect solution to protect your wealth from the ravages of inflation. Click the link in the description now to grab your free guide and start protecting your wealth today. Don't wait. Secure your financial future now before inflation erodes your hard-earned savings.